The Canon EOS M is a versatile camera, but it has a limited number of lenses built for this body. But with the Commlite EF to EOS M lens adapter, the entire line of EF lenses can be used with all the M versions. This adapter is really nice and it's all metal except for the caps. On the bottom, there's a tripod mount when using this with a large lens. And the great thing about the Commlite adapter is that autofocus, aperture, and other electronic controls still work through this adapter, and it's a complete pass-through adapter with no glass in between. Attaching the Commlite adapter to the EOS M is easy, and it locks in with a solid click. Here, I'll grab my Tokina 11-16 lens and twist it onto the front of the adapter with the same satisfying click. I've got the Tokina set to autofocus and you can see that it works. And really quick, you can see that ISO and the other electronic controls on the lens can still be adjusted while using the Commlite adapter. And lastly, unmounting the lens is easy with a thumb lock. These days the EOS M is my main camera mainly because of the small size, but I like it even more now that I can use my EF lenses on this camera. And to convince you that this is the one you need, the Commlite adapter is priced 4 times less than the actual Canon brand adapter, and that's a huge savings. And remember that this adapter works with any version of the EOS M. In the following test shots, I'm using the M1 with the Tokina 11-16 wide-angle lens. Take a look. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, The Render Cube, for more how-to videos and product reviews.